All right, so this is how you make a flag?
Yep.
Okay.
So this is how I make a flag. And who's making this flag is Johnny.
Oh, Johnny's the one making it. Okay. Is that, what part is that? The pole?
Yep. This is the pole.
Okay.
Goodbye, please. Oh, God.
Okay, hold on a second. We're trying to figure out how to make a flag.
Okay.
All right, so what are you doing right there?
I'm making the blue part of the flag on the top.
Okay, where all the stars are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Except I'm just making circles because I can only make stars.
Yeah, it's kind of hard with crayons. All right, so you're starting with a square and coloring it in blue. That's cool. That's where all the stars are.
It's gonna go that
Looks
way.
like you've got a black bronze flagpole here.
Yeah, I was doing those.
Our bestseller. Okay.
A bestseller.
All right. What's next?
We do the red and white parts.
The red and white part. Okay, the stripes.
Yep. We do the stripes.
Yeah. Oh, yep. It goes past the blue part. Right. That looks great, Johnny. Wow.
And that's how you make a flag. And if you want to make it not outside of it like that, then if you don't want to do that, then you could just make a sun like this.
Oh, we're gonna add a sun to it.
Yeah.
I love seeing Old Glory fly on a sunny day. Timmy, you're silly. All right, love it.
And then we put the sky.
Oh, we have so much more to add on here.
Glass. Well, first we have to do the door.
I know, she's silly. Oh, yeah, you're right, because the grass grows out of the dirt.
Let's put some water.
That's helping the grass grow.
Yep.
Brilliant.
Now let's put the glass right here.
Okay. And that's true, because the flagpole gets installed underneath the ground. Usually, unless you have one of our fancy schmancy mounts. Love it, buddy. All right, move your hands. Let's see. There it is.